ठीक है, तो आज अभी बुक नहीं पढ़ रहा मैं, सिर्फ एक ब्रोशर है इंग्लिश लिंगवा इंस्टीट्यूट का, वही पढ़ रहा हूँ। लर्न क्वालिटी इंग्लिश इन मोस्ट प्रैक्टिकल मैनर, बी कॉन्फिडेंट, बी इम्प्रेसिव, बी सक्सेसफुल। English lingua. English lingua is a commitment toward quality where we offer a set of unique, unparalleled services, which is the only of its kind in the whole academic and professional arena. We work toward scholastic excellence and professional competitions in the domains of students level and professional level. English lingua provides you the right environment where flowers of possibility are blossoming, heartful faculties and lovely atmosphere make learning a sheer fun, fully equipped to help student professionals, executives, housewives, and kids to enrich their skills through vari- varied, varied course especially designed for them. In today wood English has emerged as a lingua franca of the world. Most of people understand English well but face problem while speaking it fluently, correctly, and confidently. A, a command over spoken English. Uh, huh, कहाँ गया? Most people understand English well but face problem while speaking it fluently, currently, and confidently. A command over spoken English involves more than just a good vocabulary. It involves correct direction, stressing on the right part, and pausing at the right place. The provide the winning edge to college student and working professional. English Lingua has developed a different learning program. The English Lingua method can comprises teaching in small classes size and friendly environment, so you overcome your hesitation and learn by speaking from day one. कोर्स में क्या क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? हाँ, ट्रेनर हैं लोकेश माहेश्वरी सर, BE MBA, 20 year experience. English Lingua Institute monitor each student performance and provide feedback at regular intervals. Features of training: simplified approach, personal attention, performance tracking, practical applicability, career orientation, appro- appro- appropriate batch size, customized training, innovation techniques, smart board classes, program highlight, enhance your spoken English fluency, communication skills, practical grammar, and regional influence in speech. MIT develop fluency, enrich vocabulary, and master grammar. Added assistance, added assistance to weak student. Interview skill, presentation skill session, building your confidence, and enhancing your personality development session. Overcoming the problem of sinus hesitation, inferi- inferiority complex, and stage phobia. Written test will be conducted regularly. Improve Improve courseware will be provided on the subject, extra classes and problem classes on weekend.